Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on Bank of Ireland. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bankofireland.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bank of Ireland. Now from the homepage, click on the login/register button at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate login portal. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Just enter your user ID that you were given while creating your account and then enter your date of birth underneath. You can then click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your credential or your password. After entering your password, you will be logged into your account on Bank of Ireland. Once you are logged in, you can simply hover over to your credit card section and you will find the options to cancel your card. If you don't find the option to cancel your card, then click on Help and Support at the top section and then click on Help Center Home. You can then scroll down and you will find the Emergency Contact Numbers button. Go ahead and tap on it and now you will receive the number that you can use to call the team and let them know that you want to cancel your credit card. Once you let them know about your issue, you will be guided through the process that you will need to take and the steps that you will need to follow in order to cancel your card. After you complete these steps, your card will be cancelled. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to cancel your credit card on Bank of Ireland. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.